Hey, buddy, I get to see you again already.
That's right. We're not gonna wait the full 2 weeks here. You get to see me a little quicker than normal.
I love it. I love it. And look at that. You have a brag hat on just like me.
That's right. Sponsor supporting the brag because what is next week?
Big Brag 2026.
And where are we gonna be? Oh, never mind.
Where have we been for the last 4 years?
Sad. Yeah, we're not gonna be there, but that's okay. We've
No.
got we'll be cycling men of leisure will be well represented, and cycling
Yes.
women of leisure.
We've got our team captain, Scott Ledford, and we want to thank him
Yes.
here in digital and video formats. Thank you, Scott, and support wife. We've got 23 members this year on the team.
That's not bad. I mean,
No, that's not bad, especially since you and I, and we're not going to be there, and we still have 23 members, which I love.
yeah.
And some of our
Well,
good friends even have their own teams, and so that's cool as well.
yeah. Some people that were on our team last year are doing teams this year, so that's awesome. Like I've always said, these rides are better on a team. Doesn't matter whose team, just a team. So happy to have our 23. And unfortunately, we're not going to be there, but we will be there in spirit, and we'll be
Absolutely,
thinking about you. So
absolutely. We will hope that the rubber side stays down, and may the wind be at your back.
always,
Always. That's
always,
right.
and it all downhill,
Yeah, absolutely. And like
downhill all
you
the way.
always say, you can coast forever.
Actually, you can't coast forever.
Oh, that's right. That's right. That's right.
Don't misquote me, because
But
then I just said, I already don't have a job. You can coast forever. Doesn't matter.
I feel bad for some of the people who are going to Big Brag this year.
Why is that?
They're not going to be able to see a most awesome brim going down the road. I mean, that is my signature look.
No. It's a look. We'll leave it at that. But I don't really think anybody's going to miss the Debrim. I'm not going to miss the Debrim.
I guarantee you. Hashtag,
No.
I wish the Debrim was here.
Hashtag, thank God the Debrim is not here. But
Well, we'll see. We'll see
Yeah.
at the end of the week. I'll search for both of those. So we'll see.
Yeah.
All kidding aside, we want to just tell everybody that we hope they have a safe week.
Yes.
I hope the weather is great. Nothing better than having great weather when you're on these rides. And might I say, and I will confess,
You might.
this
Yes.
is my right hand. I don't know if cameras are reversing or whatever. For those of you watching this, I'm gonna miss it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm watching everybody
My
pack.
hand's up too.
I'm watching people talk about, hey, put your stuff in Ziploc bags, and hey, do this, and all of some of our packing moves, and like today I was in my office and looking down going, man, I wish I was going. So with that being
Right
said,
there with you, brother. I wish I was there.
yeah,
I wish I was going to be there. Let's put it that way. Kind of weird, because generally on my floor of my office, I have everything laid out and ready to go. But you know what? We've got other people to carry the torch this year. It's just been a really weird and wacky year, so it didn't work out. But you never know. We'll be back at some point.
I was gonna say, I was gonna ask, is this an exclusive?
I wasn't committing to anything.
Okay.
That's because the inside joke is Adam's always like, it's like we go to all these rides and it's like, now don't say we're coming back, because we don't know if we're coming back. Every ride Adam has ever went to in the last 10 years with me, it's like, day 2, he's like, yeah, we're coming back next year. It's like, you didn't discuss this with me.
The executive director of Bragg, who is now the international director of Bragg,
Mm-hmm.
he mentioned it the best. He said it's like summer camp, and I think I just get
Oh, yeah.
excited. I get like a kid in a candy store. I'm like, we're coming back. Except it sounds like this.
We're coming back.
Like that little pig in the back seat of the old what was it, Geico commercials. Whee!
Yeah, exactly. I get more excited about. And it's not just, just like we say on the show, for me, it's the whole experience. It's not just the ride. It's the
No.
travel. It's the
Yeah.
adventure. It's the packing everything up. It's the flight. It's breaking the bike down and hoping and praying to God that it goes back together wherever I might lay my head at night, and then taking it apart and then putting it back together, and not having extra screws in the box. And
No, you can have it 3, no more than 3.
that's right. That's
Yeah,
right.
if 3 or less, you're okay. Those are extras that the factory puts in there just for safety purposes.
So
So I tell myself.
I'm definitely missing it, and I'm excited for all of our friends. I'm loving the social media comments going back and forth, and I've saw, I'm sure you've seen the same, which is like, "Hey, the shuttle time is this time," because that's usually a question. What time is the shuttle? You don't want to miss the shuttle, or I'm selling my shuttle. I'm changing my
Yeah.
plans, or and some somber things too this week have been, this year's not going to work out for me. I have to have surgery, or I was in
Yeah.
an accident or whatever. So
I've seen a
I'm
couple of those, unfortunately. But
yeah, I was thinking to myself, maybe there's 2 with bus passes, and maybe you and I just say, "We're going." So,
at
well,
least as long as nobody, hit a hose and broke their clavicle. So
no, 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 we don't need that. That's enough. Last time I was at Disney, I went by the escalator and saw the one that tried to eat you. And so,
you mean the one you shoved me down? That's my story. I'm sticking with it.
okay.
You can't prove otherwise. He shoved me.
I think there might be indisputable video evidence that Disney downloaded, archived, and saved for the next 10 years.
They were concerned I might sue them.
Yeah.
For you pushing me down an escalator. It's like, well, if I'm suing anybody, I'm suing that guy.
That one manager was like, "You sure you're okay? You
Oh
sure you're
man,
okay?"
and she was there. I had barely got off the escalator and Disney management showed up. It's like, I'm okay. I'm just have the paramedic. Oh, should you go to the hospital? No, just clean up, the biological, stuff there. Clean it all up, bandage me up. I'm good to go. So yeah, they were very concerned. But no, I'm not suing you for Adam throwing me down an escalator.
My gosh. Well, listen, I do hope that everybody has a safe week. I hope
Yes.
everybody is keep the rubber side down was trying to be like an old Irish quote, but on a serious note, please, please, please stay safe. Watch out for the tracks. I know you're going to be on a lot of trails, so
Watch out for the oncoming bystanders.
yeah. Hey,
One thing I will say is I would love it if members of the team would, send some pictures our way, hashtag us or drop us, direct instant messages or however you want to get it to us. And it would really be cool if, every day or every other day, some people could maybe dump a brief message into our fan mail. Little recorded 60-second message. Let us know how it's going, highlights, things like that. Keep us informed. It would really be appreciated.
for sure. And don't forget, they have something to look for when they're out there on the road.
They do. And Jeff should have it at this point. It's the 2026 Guess the Route Brag winner. Got a jersey. I'm also going to post a couple pictures of the jersey because I tried it on just for the picture purposes. And that way you'll know what to look for. And if you see it, stop and get your picture, take it with it, send it our way. We'd love to see it. But I'll brag a little. I think it's a sharp looking jersey.
I also am going to tell people that find some distilleries along the way. This is not just about a bike ride. When you're out there, you got to make memories. And I'm not saying just like sitting inside the indoor camping and staring at each other. Get out there, explore, find something to do. Winery, distillery, brewery,
Anything with an
library.
E on the end. So yeah, absolutely. Enjoy it. It is more than the ride. It is the fellowship. It is the new friends you'll meet. It's the old friends you'll see. It's just the overall experience. So go out and have a good time. Keep us in the loop. Let us know how it's going. And, maybe next year we'll be right back out there with you.
That sounds good. You know what it's going to be when they're out there every day?
It's going to be
A
a great day for a
for a bike
bike
ride.
ride.